Stop using us where you shouldn't. We are not all the same, and you're eating us wrong. I am the yellow onion. I am strong and sharp when raw, but sweet when cooked. Eat me in soups and stews.
I am the red onion. I am mild, crunchy, and slightly sweet. Eat me raw in salads, sandwiches, and tacos for color and bite. I am the sweet onion. I am low bite and naturally sugary. Eat me raw on burgers, sandwiches, or lightly cooked where you want sweetness. I am the shallot. I am delicate, rich, and slightly garlicky. Eat me in sauces, vinaigrettes, seafood, and fine cooking. I am the pearl onion. I am small, mild, and tender. Eat me whole in stews, roasts, and glazed dishes.
I am the Cipollini onion. I am very sweet and soft when cooked. Eat me roasted whole with olive oil or alongside meats.
I am the green onion. I am fresh, mild, and grassy. Eat me raw as a topping in soups, eggs, noodles, and rice dishes.